Your face is next, mate. Myrtle.
It's all right. Yes.
Bertie, come here.
You all right, Luke?
Yes.
Well, shouldn't we go through?
Trust me, it's important.
What is it?
It's Your Majesty the first time. After that, it's ma'am, as in ham, not ma'am, as in palm.
I haven't told her about us. Sit down, relax.
I'm told your husband calls my husband Bertie, and my husband calls your husband Lionel. I trust you won't call me Liz.
Your Majesty, you may call me Mrs. Logue, ma'am.
Very nice to meet you, Mrs. Logue.
Luke, we can't stay here all day.
Yes, we can. Look, I need to wait for the right moment.
Luke, you're being a coward.
You're damn right.
Get out there, man.
Hello, Myrtle, darling. You're early. I believe you two have met, but I don't think you know King George VI.
It was very nice to meet you.
Will their Majesties be staying to dinner?
We'd love to. Such a treat, but, alas, previous engagement. What a pity.